Creating a cozy and functional cottage kitchen design in 2024 is all about blending modern convenience with rustic charm. Imagine a space that feels warm, inviting, and efficient, where you can prepare meals while enjoying the beauty of nature outside your window. Let's start with the layout. In a cottage kitchen, space is often limited, so optimizing every inch is key. Consider a galley-style layout with cabinets and appliances along two parallel walls. This setup maximizes storage and workspace while keeping everything within easy reach. For cabinets, opt for a mix of open shelving and